Okay mga kapatid, eto kapapasok lang na balita, no? Israel-Iran war. Inanunsyo ng Iran ang 40 days of mourning o yung pagluluksa nila, the 7 public holidays over Khamenei death. So eto na nga mga kapatid, totoo nga ang mga bali-balita na wala na o nasawi ang supreme leader ng Iran na si Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, at yan ay kinumpirma na ng Iranian state media, no? After prolonged military strikes by the US states and United States and Israel. Pag-usapan natin to mga kapatid, samahan ninyo ako.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Alright mga tol, welcome ulit sa ating bagong video reaction, review, commentary, opinion, criticism at kung ano-ano pa. So meron tayong panonoorin dito sa Wiyon. At kinumpirma na mga kapatid mismo ng Iranian state media. No, kinumpirma na nila mga kapatid ang pagkasawi nga ng supreme leader na si Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Doon sa mga nagsasabing fake news, eto kinumpirma na mismo ng Iranian state media. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan mga tol, no? Panoorin na lamang natin to at bigyan natin ito ng reaction and commentary. Magsasagawa daw ng 40 days of mourning, 7 public holidays over Khamenei death. Yan
Breaking news coming in. Iranian guards have vowed severe punishment for those it referred to as Khamenei's murders. Iranian state television on Sunday confirmed the death of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei without referring to a massive US and Israeli attack on his residence.
March 1 mga tol, March 1. Ngayon yan.
A presenter on state television announced Khamenei's death as the channel broadcast archive images with a black banner as a sign of mourning. 86-year-old Khamenei had been Iran's supreme leader since 1989, and according to Iran's state media, Khamenei was killed in early hours of Saturday. Iran's supreme leader Khamenei was killed at his office.
Tulad nga nung report na binigyan natin ng reaction video, nasa office nga si Khamenei noon. Ngayon ang hindi ko pa alam kung totoo o baka mamaya malaman natin, kasi ang sabi rin sa mga ulat mga tol is kasama ding nasawi yung kanyang anak, grandchild, kasama pa, pati yung son-in-law, daughter, mga kapatid sa son-in-law. Grabe.
Now, a 40-day mourning has been declared in the country. We have breaking news which is coming in. Iranian guards have vowed severe punishment for those it referred to as Khamenei's murderers. Now, we are going back to Jyotsna Kumar. Jyotsna, can you get us more details on this update that we are getting in?
Absolutely, as you announced. Of course, we will waiting.
Severe punishment for those who killed Iran's supreme leader. Sabing gano'n ng IRGC. O yung Iranian na yung sundalo nila.
For the reaction, we had the state news agency, announcing the death, and now we have the Iranian guards who have now vowed severe punishment for those it referred to as Khamenei's murderers. Of course, we have to wait and see how that goes. And I would like to go to Dr. Kapchan on this very news. We know that now we have the Iranian guards who have now reacted. Do we see this escalating further now?
Palagay ko. Ganun din.
Well, and in some ways, this is an indication of what I was just saying about, is the state going to start peeling apart? Are various members of the regime going to say, listen, it's time to defect, it's time to look to a different government? And the fact that the guards are coming out and saying what they're saying suggests that the answer at this point is no. But let's wait and see. We are still very early on in this game.
Tingnan natin kung ano ang mga susunod na mangyayari. Lalo bang mag-e-escalate mga tol etong tensyon na namuo? Lalo pa ngayon mga tol na kumilos ang Amerika kasama ang Israel na ikinasawi nga ng supreme leader o yung pinakamataas mga tol. Supreme, no? Pinakamataas na leader nitong Iran.
And Donald Trump said just in the last few hours that this is a campaign that is going to continue. This is a campaign that is not 1 day, 2 days. It may well last a week or two. And I do think that we have to keep a close eye on the ability of Iran to retaliate. Because in terms of the anti-missile defenses in Israel, the anti-missile defenses in the United States, the stockpiles are relatively low. They have not been rebuilt from the expenditures last year
Oh.
during the initial Israeli and American attack. And so I think one issue that's key now is how successful will Israel and the United States be in taking out the missile sites and completely incapacitating Iranian air defenses and Iran's ability to launch missiles. So far, it doesn't look like Iran is having a great deal of success in hitting Israeli cities.
Ganun?
We know that at least one missile, maybe two missiles, have made it through. We have reports that an Iranian missile did hit the U.S. naval base in Bahrain. But at least in terms of the evidence that we have coming in today, it doesn't look like Iran has been able to retain sufficient ballistic missile capability to launch wave after wave of missile attacks against Israel and against U.S. bases in Kuwait.
So sabi rito, nagsasalita, parang wala sa kakayanan ngayon ng Iran na i-retain o i-maintain siguro yung kakayanan na magpakawala ng ballistic missile wave after wave. Sabing ganon mga tol.
In Bahrain, in Qatar, in other areas in the Gulf. And if that's the case, it's going to be very difficult for the Iranian regime to survive this kind of punishing air attack.
Nako. So kung ganun nga ang kalagayan mga tol ay mahihirapan daw etong Iran na makasurvive. No? Lalong-lalo na sa pinagsamang puwersa nitong Amerika at saka ng Israel. Yan tanong mga tol, meron bang mga bansa, sana mga kapatid, no, para hindi na lumawak pa, hindi na lumaki pa, wala nang maki-join pa o kaya wala nang makisali pa? Hindi natin alam kung ano mga susunod na mangyayari, pero isa lang ang malinaw at yun lang naman ang topic natin ngayon. So eto na nga mga tol, kumpirmado na at kinumpirma na mismo ng Iran, no, na nasawi nga. So totoo yung mga bali-balita, yung kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan sa mga post sa unang reaction video ko. At eto mga tol, no, bagong reaction video na to. Sabi nga ganun ng Iran, no, inanunsyo nga nila, magkakaroon daw sila ng 40 days of mourning. Diba? 7 public holidays over Khamenei death. Ano, Iran state media, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei dead. Iran state media, 40 days of public mourning announced in Iran. Inanunsyo na mga tol. Diba? Dahil yan sa paglusob o pag-atake ng Amerika at saka ng Israel. No? So sabi rito, sabi nung nagsasalita, parang mahihirapan mga tol ang Iran, no, sa ganitong kalagayan. Anyway mga kapatid, no, ano ang inyong masasabi rito sa mainit na balitang to na gumulantang ngayon sa buong mundo dahil parang ilang araw pa lamang ang nakakaraan, di ba? To sa mga huling reaction video natin, pinag-uusapan pa natin yung bantaan nitong dalawang bansang to. Pero ngayon mga tol, yung bilis no? Bilis ng mga pangyayari mga kapatid, no? Yung sa pag-aksyon ng Amerika, alam nila kung ano talaga yung pupuntiryahin nila. Alam nila kung ano yung tatargetin nila. At dahil nga doon mga tol is nadali nila. Hindi hindi katulad kay Maduro na na dinakip, 'di ba? Doon sa Venezuela, dinakip ng Amerika si Maduro. Ito hindi nila dinakip. Talagang pinasabog nila yung kung gusali man yun na kung saan nandoon yung supreme leader at ikinasawi nga. Ang hindi pa malinaw kung totoo nakasama doon yung kanyang daughter, pero ayon nga sa ibang balita kasama daw yung daughter, son-in-law, pati grandchild mga tol. Ano ang mga susunod na mangyayari? Abangan natin to mga tol, no? Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.